Hey all you peeps! First I want to apologize how infrequently my videos have coming out. We've been having problems with our modem and we're having the second one sent to us, and of course it takes 4 to 7 days to get to us. They can't overnight it or anything, so I'm making videos but I can't get them out. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys. I'm getting ready to start my Christmas cards. Now these are something else I worked on that I just didn't want, I didn't want to put away. I've been making lots and lots of tags with to's and froms on the back of them for friends and family and me and, you know. But anyway, I found on Dreamz Etc, D-R-E-A-M-Z, and then E-T-C. And they have an Etsy shop, or Jen has a regular website. Sometimes the website is cheaper than Etsy. So, you know, you might want to check that out. But I found, it's called Cozy Critter Gnomes. And I'm going to use this digital kit to make my Christmas cards. Now, I'm not going to build my Christmas cards online with you guys here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you these beautiful papers. Now, she is an artist. I mean, a true artist. And does all of this herself. I mean, you know, the documents and stuff she pulls from other things, I'm sure. But I mean, just look how cute these little gnomes are. She's got such an eye for detail, and I love the beautiful pieces here. Okay, so that, and you get 5 sheets. I bought the bundle, which right now on the Black Friday week is 50% off. So it's regularly like $39.95 for $19.95. So hopefully I'm getting this out. I don't know. But she's got it on her website anyway. And then the next one is the Cozy Critter Papers. So, all kinds of little goodies. Now, you can make a journal with these. You can do a mini album with this paper. Now, I'm paid for this. I'm not getting anything from this other than some really pretty stuff. Look at that cute little rabbit. Oh, I love it. I love it. And the little raccoon, and the little bears, and the little fox. But just really pretty stuff, and I think a lot for me to work with making my cards. I'm going to kind of make a little different card, so I hope you will hang out when you see the video upcoming for my Christmas cards. You'll kind of hang out and have fun with me while I show you what I did with all of this. Now, the next set is the wait a minute. I missed one. Here. Oh, here it is. The coordinating papers. That's got a really soft damask pattern in the back. And it is lined. Again, journal pages. This is just a very monochromatic, ooh, big word, but really cute. And it's brown, it's not black, and I really like that. And then this page has got the poinsettias and roses and a little touch of teal. Oh, and isn't that just scrumptious? Big sweater. And then this is the candy canes. Yeah, really, really pretty. And now the next one is the ephemera, the Cozy Critter ephemera. Lots of goodies. And she makes it real easy to fussy cut. I don't know if it's going to show up, but there is a little line of color that's different than the white that, I don't know, maybe you can see it around this one. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can see this little outline all the way around. You can choose to just fussy cut around that outline, and it's a whole lot simpler, but yet it's not white paper. So she does that with all of these. Just beautiful stuff. So it's not that hard to fussy cut her stuff. I love this mailbox. Isn't that just adorable? So, and lots of nice words to use. Okay, the next one is the large envelopes. That is this one, I believe. Yeah, and this one has more than 5. Or maybe I printed more. I don't know. I don't remember. So here is skates, and then all of the, look at that little deer. Isn't it cute? Just love it. Got a little bow. Okay, I wanted to make this quick, but there's a lot of paper. And I think the kits, the 5-page kits are only like $5.95 or $3.95 or $4.95, something like that anyway. So I mean, even if you don't get it the 50% off, it doesn't cost you that much. But look at that beautiful owl. Just scrumptious. Scrumptious. Make a nice quick album. Because, you know, all you got to do is fussy cut all this out. You got all your, everything you need. Add some paper and go. Super cute stuff. And if you don't want to use it as an envelope, you have then 5 different elements, or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. And then this is the last one. I love this here. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, and then the next one is the large journal card. Large journal cards and paper. So this is a piece of the paper. There's another one. Isn't that just adorable? I think that's a hedgehog. Look at that. And there's that cute little bunny. Nice paper. And there's that fox. Beautiful. Okay, this was not the journal cards and paper. This is just cozy critter paper. Yeah, this was just the cozy critters. Not the gnome, not the cozy critter gnome, but the papers. Okay, so this is the small envelope and journal cards. So really cute. And then all these envelopes are the same. They're just the smaller version. And lots of good ephemera all around it to cut out. Cute with the little peppermints. Okay, and then this is the plaid backgrounds. So there's, I think this one was teal or green. This one was green, this one was pink and teal. That's a lime green or something like that. And then this is just the red plaid and the buffalo plaid. Guys, that's it. I am going to be fussy cutting for a while and put my cards together, and I'll show you what I made with all of this stuff. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.